Wallace Branch Library Young Adult Craft class. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to do a Labor Day garland tassel. This is what it looked like, and you can use this for a bookmark, or you can use it for your keys, to put your keys on it. Let's get started making your garland tassel. The material you'll need for this particular craft is you'll need some kind of strong wire, or cord, or thread to put your beads on. You'll need some beads in the Labor Day colors. I chose to use wooden beads. You'll need some scissors. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to decide is how long you want your garland tassel to be. I'm going to cut a 24-inch piece of thread, strong nylon thread. So it's about 24 inches, so that make it, when it's doubled, that make it 12 inches. The length of your ruler. So the next thing I'm going to do is get a piece of wire, and I'm going to double that wire half in two as well. This is what I'm going to use to thread my beads on. It'll make it very easy, kind of like a yarn threader. So I'm going to take my star and I'm going to get a jump ring and put it through the hole of my wooden star, and I just took a push pin and pushed that little hole through that little soft wooden star. So I'm going to put this onto my star and put another double jump ring. It's a double jump ring because it has the double little loops here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put both of my strands inside my wire, like this. And then I'm going to thread my beads on, starting with the smallest first. And you just put your beads on in whatever pattern you like. So that's the first bead. The small white, a medium white, a red, a white, medium white, a blue, and that's the pattern I'm going to keep throughout the whole entire bracelet until I get ready to end it on the other side with a small bead again. This is the pattern that I will keep throughout the whole entire garland. Okay, this is what mine's look like so far. And that is long as I want mine to be. That's long enough for me. So if you want one longer, you can just keep on threading. Keep on putting your beads on, but this is long enough for me. Now, to finish this up, I'm just tying a knot on this end so that the beads don't slip and slide so much. So I got that knotted, and so I'm going to put my last jump ring on there, and then we'll make the tassel. And I'm gonna just tie this on the end. Then I'm gonna make the tassel. Take your finger and you can, let's see, whatever you do to one, you do it to all three of them. Find the end and find the end of this one. So I get all three ends. Put them together. 9 and 10 to get a really thick tassel. And so I'm going to cut this here. So this is what I got right at the moment. This is what I got. So what I'm gonna do with this part, out the ring, I'm gonna take another piece of strong thread. I think I'm gonna get a piece of the red. And I'm gonna just thread it through on the inside of my circle here. I'm gonna just put it right here at the top, and I'm gonna tie that off. I'm gonna tie it in a tight, tight knot. And I'm gonna tie it one more time. Okay, now this part, you can either let that hang inside of your garland or you can clip it away. It's totally up to you, but I'm gonna clip this away. And then you can come on the inside of your loop and just cut that. It's on this part right here. I'm gonna put my ring on that. You open your ring up. And then take that part right there, put your ring on that part. Kind of hard to see it when you're doing it for the camera. But I'm just going to slide that on that little loop I made. And then I'm gonna close this back up. Well, actually, we can put this on here and close that back up. Close your ring back up. Now, this is what you actually got so far, but it's not done yet. I would smooth this down. And then I'm gonna take a blue piece. Because my star is blue, I think I'll go round and round with the blue piece. I'm gonna come, I guess about a ½ inch down. And round. And round. Now, I'm gonna cut this part. And then I'm gonna tie it off. And then I'm gonna clip this real close. I hope you enjoy your garland tassel and have a happy and safe Labor Day.